One simple method to create giants and tinies needs just a few mouse clicks. That is, you select the armature and then scale it up or down to your likes. After you have scaled your character to the desired size, you only need to export your character to Collider. Take a look at the Advanced section of the Collider tab. There, you need to disable the option, Use Bind Pose. You also need to enable the option, Apply Armature Scale. And if you want the eye bones to be exported as well, then you want to disable the option, Only Weighted Bones. Now proceed with your export as usual. However, this is not yet the end of the story. We also need to do one more thing in the Second Life Mesh importer. After we have opened the mesh, we can check its look in the preview window. We also can enable the preview of the skin weights and joints here. But keep in mind that enabling joints and weights in the previewer is only good for inspection. But this alone will not upload the data. Therefore, we also have to open the Upload Options tab. Here we have to include skin weights and joint positions. You also can play with the Z value. This controls the hover height of your character. And only now, the importer uploads the character as expected. So, let's now calculate weights and fees. And finally we can upload the mesh. Before I wear the tiny mesh, let me first wear my special invisibility outfit. This outfit will hide my default avatar mesh. Now you can attach the imported model like any other regular rigged mesh. By the way, the model name is chosen from the first of the imported meshes, in this case the eyeball mesh. You may want to change this name later. Oops, I have become a bit smaller by now. So, let's take a closer look, especially on the feet. We see that actually my tiny is hovering well above ground. So, let us fix this now. Right-click your character. Then adjust the character height by using the hover slider. If you need more precision here, then you also can modify the Z value in the importer panel. And now the tiny is standing a bit better on the ground floor, doesn't it? Thank you for watching, have a nice day, and hopefully see you next time.